Welcome to your online mathematics class. And today we will start new exercise, that is exercise 12.2 of your 3D geometry. So first question says, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Pairs of points means there will be two sets of points. So this is one and this is another. Okay, so starting with the solution, as in your class 10 students, you had distance formula for 2 points. Now the only difference is we will have here 3 coordinates. Okay, so x1, let them be x1, y1 and z1, and this one be x2, y2 and z2. Alright, so distance formula, okay, it is saying distance, so distance formula here will be same what we studied in 10. The only difference is you have third coordinate also, so this will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square and square root of whole of this. Substitute the values here. So what is the value of x2? 4. x1 minus 2. So you can clearly see here students, x2 minus x1 whole square plus what is the value of y2? 3. y1 minus 3 whole square plus z2 1 z1 5 whole square. So if you solve this, 4 minus 2 2 whole square 4, 3 minus 3 0 0 whole square is 0, 1 minus 4 students, minus 4 whole square 16. So 16 plus 4 is equal to root 20. Are you following? So this is equal to 2 root 5, right? 4 5 is 20. So in this way you will solve this. Okay, now you can complete other parts also students. It is very easy. Alright, so in this way you will complete the other parts. Okay, I want to start with next questions. So I'll start with that. Now see question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says show that the points, okay, these are collinear. So what are collinear students? When the points are lying in a straight line, okay, they are called as collinear points. Now to show these points, okay, we can take them as A, B, C, or we can take them as P, Q, or anything. What you have to keep in mind when it is saying collinear, you have to show that the sum of two sides will be equal to the third side. Okay, just keep this in mind whenever you have these type of questions. Okay, when it is saying that you have to show that it is collinear. Okay, so collinear means they lie in a straight line, so sum of any two sides will be equal to the third side. Okay, so let this be A, so minus 2 3 5, and let this be B 1 2 3, and let this be C 7 0 minus 1. Okay, now when it is saying collinear sum of two sides, this means AB plus BC is equal to C. Okay, sum of two sides, so we can take this AB plus BC, okay, will be equal to CA. It can be any side students. Okay, you have to just show that sum of two sides will be equal to third side. Okay, that is what is important. Okay, so I am taking this as x1, y1 and z1. Here I can take x2, y2 and z2 for AB. Okay, to calculate AB, so the formula will be same students, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Does not make any difference if you take small z or capital Z. Okay, now in the next question I will be writing directly distance formula students. Now you are in 11th class, you should know this. Okay, and directly you can solve. So this is equal to, now what is the value of x2? 1 minus will become plus. Okay, 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 3 minus z1 is 5 whole square under root. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 3 square 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square will give me 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square 4. So this is equal to root 14. Followed? Now similarly we'll calculate for BC. So BC, this means now I will take this as x1, y1 and z1. So I can take this x1, y1 and z1, and this will be x2, y2, z2. Okay, so this will be now 7 minus 1 whole square plus 0. Now we are not taking this, okay, let me erase this so that you don't get confused. Okay, now students, we are taking this BC. Okay, now we are taking BC. So this will be y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So which is equal to 7 minus 1, 6 whole square, 36. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square, will give me 4. Minus 3 and minus 1 minus 4, this will be 16. Okay, so 36 plus 4 plus 16, so this will be 16 and 4, 20 and 3, 56. So root 56. So root 56 I can write as, okay, root 56 I can write as 2 root 14. Right? Now come to CA. Okay, so CA is equal to, okay, so now I will take this as x1 y1 y1 z1, and A will be x2 y2 z2. So let me erase this so that you don't get confused. Okay, so we will apply same formula, students. The only difference is we are taking now x1 y1 and z1, so keep this in mind. Okay, so CA, so x2 minus x1 whole square, right, plus y2 minus y1, so 3. Now we're taking CA, so don't see B, okay, C and A. So this will be y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus will become plus z1 whole square. Okay, students, now see we are solving for CA, so don't check for B. So coordinates you will take of this point C and A. Alright, so solve this now. Minus 2 and minus 7, minus 9 whole square, 81, 3 square 9, 5 plus 1 6 square, 36. Okay, so this will be 81 plus 9 plus 36. So this will be 36 and 9, 45 and 81, 126. So this is root 126. Okay, just check 36 and 9, 45 and 81, 5 and 1 6, 8 and 4. So the 126 I can split as 3 root 14. So that is what I told. See, note. Okay, AB plus BC is equal to CA. Okay, AB plus BC is equal to CA. So this will be root 14. What is the value of BC? 2 root 14. What is the value of CA? See, add this 2 plus 1 3. So 3 root 14. So verified. Are you following, students? This, okay, this is verified. So in this way you will solve the question. And there are questions which are asking to prove that the triangle is 3 vertices are given. You have to prove the triangle is isosceles. So you will take you have to show that 2 points, okay, the distance between, okay, 2 vertices will be equal. Okay, in isosceles triangle what happens, students? In isosceles triangle we all know that 2 sides are equal. So you will calculate distance between 2 sides and show that it is equal. So this property you will apply. So this is easy questions. So next questions you can try. I want to start with this other questions. Alright, so I hope you have followed this, students. Very simple, nothing difficult. Okay, so starting with now question number 5. Now question number 5 says, find the equation of the set of points P, the sum of whose distance from A and B is equal to 10. Now so read carefully, it is saying the set of point and the sum of whose distance from this and this is equal to 10. This means in this what we have to show that PA plus PB will be equal to 10. This point P, okay, it is saying the equation of the set of points this P, the sum of whose distance, that is why plus distance from A. So PA plus PB is equal to 10 is equal to 10. Now we have to find the equation. Okay, it is not saying point, you have to find the equation. This means when it's solved you will get an equation. So let the point be P, okay, and the coordinates be X, Y and Z. Okay, and let the point be X, Y and Z. So you can take capital Z or small, that does not make any difference, it is coordinates. Okay, so now we are taking A as A 4, 0, 0 which is given to us, and B as minus 4, 0, 0. Alright, okay students, so that is what I was explaining. So PA plus PB is equal to 10. Okay, now if you see carefully, I have done the calculation, students. Okay, you can see I've done the calculations. So now see PA plus PB. So this is the value of PA. How did I calculate PA? Same, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Similarly PB. So this you will substitute the values and you will get this equation PA and PB. So PA plus PB is equal to 10. So I can write this PA is equal to 10 minus PB. So remember this PA is equal to 10 minus this equation, okay, this, so that it will be easy for calculation, students. Okay, now squaring both sides. Okay, when you square both sides, so this square root will vanish. So this is what I've left with, and this will be a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus twice ab. So minus twice, so 2 into 10, 20, a into b. So this is b. Same thing. Now after solving this, see this is what will cancel, 16 and 16 will be cancelled, x square and x square cancelled, y square and y square cancelled, z square and z square cancelled. So what are we left with? Minus 18x from here, and this plus 8x will be on the left side. So minus 8x and minus 8x will give me minus 16x, which is equal to 100 minus 20 of this. Now see this calculations, I've divided by 4. So 4 for the 16, 25, and 4 5 is 20. Okay, so that calculation will be easy. You can do this, students. Now I have taken this minus 4x and this plus 25 on this side, minus 25 left side, taking minus common. So minus common, so this will be minus 4x plus 25 is equal to minus 5 of this. So minus and this minus will be cancelled, students. So this minus and this minus is cancelled. What are we left with? 4x plus 25 is equal to 5 square root of the same value, students. Now again we are squaring both sides. Okay, so squaring both sides, this will be a plus b whole square is equal to 5 square will be 25 into square root will vanish. So this will be square. Okay, when you're taking squaring both sides, so this will be square. So 4x plus 25 whole square, square of 5 will be 25, and this square root will vanish. So that what are we left with? 16 plus x square plus 8x plus y square plus z square. Now it is simple calculation, students. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab. So this will be 16x square, 25 whole square is 625, and 25 into 4 into 2, 100 into 2, 200x. Now multiply this, 25 into 16, 425 x square plus 25 into 200x plus 25 into y square, 25 y square plus z square. So solving this equation, you are left with this 9x square plus 25 y square plus 25 z square minus 225 is equal to 0. So what you have to keep in mind, students, read the question. It is saying find the equation. See, answer we are getting equation only. This is the equation. Okay, see this is the equation which we have got. It is saying the set of points P, the sum of whose distances from A and B is equal to 10. So you have to keep this in mind. This PA plus PB is equal to 10. So in the exam it can be 5, it can be 15, distance can be anything. Concept will be same. PA plus PB is equal to 10. Now how do you calculate PA? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Similarly PB, and equate. Now how to solve this? This is all calculation work. So that is why I have explained this. Calculations have to be very careful. After this, see, PA plus PB is equal to 10. You write PA is equal to 10 minus PB. Okay, why? So that when you're taking, so you are squaring both sides, only then the square root will vanish. How will you otherwise remove the square root? Okay, so this is squaring both sides. So when you take square, okay, obviously students, this is very basic. Root A whole square is what? A. So that is why we take squaring both sides. So squaring this and squaring on this side. So this will be A minus B whole square. Okay, this will be whole thing like this, A minus B whole square. So that is why A square plus B square. So square root will vanish, minus twice AB. So 2 into A into B, and this is how calculation works, students. Okay, so that is why I have done the calculation so that you can go through it and understand. So in this way you will complete the exercise. Okay, students, nothing difficult. So I have explained all the difficult questions. It will be very easy for you. Okay, so study well, students. All right, and be good, students. So all the difficult questions I have solved, and otherwise also this is the easiest chapter, students. So in this way you can complete this exercise. Study well and be good.